I'm here with some children from our room. We have Ibad, Callan and Ramat, and today we are making Play-Doh. Excited? Yeah? So we're going to start with we've got water, salt and flour. So can I here we go. We're going to get them to help us pop it in. Do you want to hold it and put it in here for Zoe? Pick it up like this. Okay. Put it in. Good boy. Hold it. And then tip it. Big. So we have 1 cup of flour. And then we got Callan. Here we go. You want to tip the salt in? Like Zoe? Then we have 1/2 cup of salt. Here we go. We're going to tip, it's just cold water. So we're going to tip the cold water, a little bit of cold water in. Oh, gentle. Okay, that's enough. Stop. Good girl. Stop. Good girl. And then we're going to start to mix it. You're going to try and mix it. You use your hands. We need to form a dough. Here you go. You're going to try to put some more water in for Zoe. Tip it in. Ready? Grab it. Good boy. And help Zoe. Ta-da! There we go. So now we need to mix it until it forms a dough. Oh, sorry buddy. Callan, would you like to have a turn? You put your hands in. Put your hands in and mix it. Ready? No? So we're just going to mix it until, like I said, the dough forms, and then we're going to put some colour in it. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we've separated it into 5 different piles. I'm going to do this bit because it includes food colouring, but what we do is we put a bit of food colouring in it and then work our way, use gloves if you can, and then work it into the Play-Doh, and then it will change colour. So then we're going to repeat this 5 times. If you need to add more, which you can add to 5 to 10 drops. Ooh, there we go. And then, to make sure it stays fresh, put it in a snap lock bag. It can last up to 4 weeks, but the process is so simple, you can repeat it every 4 weeks. All right, photos and all that will be done later. Thank you for watching, and bye. Say bye. Huh? You say bye? They're too busy playing with the Play-Doh. See you later.